Hello everyone, myself Shivani Patil. I study in class 9th. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Aim. In our today's video, I am going to tell you fact and information about the state Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a beautiful state with ancient yoga schools, holiday spots, wildlife sanctuaries and etc. This state is also known as the Dev Bhumi due to many ancient temples all over the state. Uttarakhand shares borders with Himachal Pradesh in northwest and Uttar Pradesh in south. On 9th November 2000, Uttarakhand became new state after it was separated from Uttar Pradesh. Previously, the name of the state was Uttarachal until 2007 when it was renamed as Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is the 27th state of India, while Dehradun is the capital of this state, and the High Court is in Nainital. Uttarakhand is divided into two parts, Garhwal and Kumaon region. In 1891, two districts of Kumaon and Tarai were redistributed and renamed after their headquarters, Nainital and Almora. While in 1969, Garhwal divisions was established and Pauri made its headquarters. Uttarakhand is the only state in India which has Sanskrit as its official language. The main regional languages of this state are Garhwali and Kumaon, while Hindi is most widely spoken language of this state. Devbhoomi. This state is also called Devbhoomi due to many religious sites such as Haridwar, Rishikesh, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath. Lakshman Jhula in Rishikesh. According to the legends, it is said that the bridge is built on the place where Lakshman crossed the Ganges using a jute rope. Bharat Mata Mandir in Haridwar. It is a multi-story temple dedicated to Bharat Mata. Each floor is dedicated to a different set of people who have made a mark in India's history. Tunganath Temple. It is located at an altitude of 3,680 meters. It is the highest Shiv temple in the world. It is said to be around 1000 years old. The Ganga Aarti. Every evening at sunset, priests perform Ganga Aarti on the banks of river Ganga at Har Ki Pauri, Haridwar. Large number of people gather every day on both sides of banks of river Ganges to sing its praises. This looks so beautiful. One should never miss this if you are visiting Haridwar. Land of Secret Rivers. The two most secret rivers as per beliefs of Hindus, Ganga and Yamuna, originate from Uttarakhand state, while Ganga originates from Gangotri and Yamuna originates from Yamunotri. The emblem of Uttarakhand shows mountain ridge with flow of holy river Ganga, and in the mid of mountain peaks is national emblem of India showing Satyameva Jayate. The state animal of Uttarakhand is Himalayan musk deer. The state bird is Himalayan monal. State flower is Brahma Kamar and state tree is Buransh. Brahma Kamar. The state flower of Uttarakhand, Brahma Kamar, is famous for its medicinal properties. According to mythology, it is the white lotus that Lord Brahma holds in his hand. Bichu Ghas. Bichu Ghas is commonly found plant in hilly regions of Uttarakhand. It produced a stinging sensation once it comes into contact with your skin. Nanda Devi is the highest peak of Uttarakhand with altitude of 7,816 meters. This also the second highest peak of India after Kanchenjunga. Kamet and Badrinath are second and third highest peaks of Uttarakhand. Tehri Dam, built on the Bhagirathi river near Tehri Garhwal, is the tallest dam in India and one of the tallest in the world. This dam is a reservoir for irrigation, municipal water supply and generation of hydroelectricity. The power from this dam is distributed to Punjab, Delhi, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, and etc. The key industries of this state are tourism and hydroelectric power generation. Uttarakhand is the fastest growing states of India after Madhya Pradesh. The mineral resources of the state are limestone, rock phosphate, copper graphite, and etc. Naini Lake in Nainital. It is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths or religious sites where chariot body parts of Sati fell on earth. Naini Lake is the site where Sati's eyes fell and hence the name. Robbers Cave in Dehradun. Located almost 8 kilometers from Dehradun, it is a natural cave formation where river flows inside the cave. Jim Corbett National Park of Nainital district is oldest national park of India, which was established in 1936 for protection of tigers. Rajaji National Park, Gangotri National Park, Nalanda Devi National Park are some other national parks of the state. Champavat tiger. Claiming around 436 human lives, the man-eater tiger holds the Guinness Book of World Record for the highest number of fatalities by a tiger. Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. The biosphere encompasses a unique transition zone between the Zanskar and the Himalayan mountain ranges. It is home to some of the rarest species of flora and fauna. Yoga capital. Rishikesh in Uttarakhand is the yoga capital of the world. It is believed that the meditating in Rishikesh brings one closer to attainment of moksha. Chipko movement. The Chipko movement took place in 1970s in Uttarakhand when a group of villagers, especially women, hugged trees to prevent the woodcutters from cutting them. Beatles Ashram in Rishikesh. The Beatles travelled to Rishikesh in 1968 to attend Maharishi Mahesh Yogi's transcendental meditation training. They spent 3 months here and composed 48 songs. Sumitra Nandan Pant. He is the first Hindi poet to receive a Jnanpith. He is a person on whose suggestions Harivansh Rai changed his son's name from Inqilab to Amitabh. Mana village in Chamoli. It is the last Indian village which lies just 24 kilometers from the Sino-Indian international border. However, there are plenty of last tea and coffee shops here as well. Pious snow bowl called the Hemkund. It is a lake surrounded by 7 peaks at an altitude of 4,300 meters. It is believed that Guru Gobind Singh meditated here in his previous life. There are many famous education institutes. There are so many prestigious institutes in this state like Indian Institute of Technology which is in Roorkee, National Institute of Technology which is in Srinagar, Indian Institute of Management in Kashipur and All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Rishikesh and HNB Gadwal University which is recognized as a central university located in Srinagar. The important festivals of this state are Kumbh Mela, Nanda Devi Mela of Almora, Gauchar Mela of Chamoli and many others. If you are new on my channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you for watching the video.